Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Military Tek. Today we are going into brief details of the FIM-92 Stinger. Russian aircraft were hit by Stinger missiles during the Afghanistan war a decade ago, and these Stingers are back in limited numbers on the Ukrainian battlefield. The FIM-92 Stinger is a MANPAD, man-portable air defense system that is capable of taking out helicopters. The system can also target enemy drones and low-flying airplanes, including cruise missiles. It is believed that over 500 Russian helicopters and drones could be targeted by Stinger missiles in the ongoing war in Ukraine. Training on this system will have to be provided quickly to Ukraine in order to repel Russian forces' advancement. The weapons will be useful in urban combat when crews can hide in bunkers or buildings and shoot down helicopters and fighters. The United States will send a shipment of Stinger anti-aircraft weapons to Ukraine as part of a $350 million military aid package, as announced by President Joe Biden on March 1st. A total of 500 Stingers will be supplied by Germany, and the Baltic states have been supplying the anti-aircraft system to Ukraine since January. Additionally, Italy and the Netherlands will send air defenders. How does an FIM-92 Stinger missile work? The Stinger seeks out its target with the passive seeker head, and then homing in once in flight. An operator points the missile at the target until they achieve a lock, which is indicated by a high-pitched squealing sound. Once locked, the operator pulls the trigger, and the missile launches. The modernized Stingers employ a proximity fuse that causes the rocket to explode near its target. The FIM-92 Stinger missile can reach targets flying as high as 3,500 meters and has an effective range of about 8 kilometers. The cost price of the FIM-92 Stinger is $119,320. It weighs 15.19 kilograms and has a length of 1.52 meters. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and comment in the section below. Catch you in the next video.